If you're experiencing matchmaking error 2026 in Minecraft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing with friends in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or websites. If your connection is weak or intermittent, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart Minecraft. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues. After restarting, try to connect to the server again. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher and install any available updates. Running an outdated version can lead to compatibility issues with matchmaking. Step 4. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page or community forums to see if there are any ongoing issues with the servers. If the servers are down or experiencing problems, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block Minecraft from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings and ensure that Minecraft is allowed to communicate through it. You may need to add an exception for the game in your antivirus software as well. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error 2026 and enjoy playing Minecraft with your friends again. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.